Hey guys, welcome back. We had a lot of equipment out today trying to get this trailer out of the back. I need another trailer up by the barn for storage. This one had some shelves in it when I got it, and the guy that I got it from never closed the door. And I put a Jeep in here a while ago and I closed the door, and I haven't been able to get it open ever since. It's been a couple years since I've been in there. I used a car bag. I put a CJ5, the very first ever CJ5 is in there, and this door is coming off. I don't want this roll-up door anymore, and I'm just going to go at this thing and tear it right the hell out of there, get the track, everything right out of there. And then we can see the treasure that's in there. It is leaving my possession and going to a museum. And if you've been following my videos, I'm starting to liquidate some stuff, and the museum really wanted this one, and I got to get it ready for pickup. And I haven't seen it in a couple of years, but it's been in a bag, and hopefully it's going to be just as nice coming out as it went in. But this trailer was snuggled right in the middle of two other trailers. It was a pain to get out of there. I was using the wrecker, and I needed the other 9 series 5-ton with the gin pole on it to get some stuff moved. But it's here, and like I say, there's already shelves in there, and that big fiberglass airfoil on the front was full of mold and bees and water and junk, so I just knocked that off the best I could, and we'll get that cleaned up. And I gotta get that door off next, so hopefully that won't be too terrible. I'm just gonna try and lift it with maybe the backhoe, see if we can't get that thing opened up without anything falling on this CJ5 in there. So I'll keep you posted and let you know how things go. Okay guys, this is the cutaway CJ5. You may have seen it. You know, I've had this for a bunch of years. Then I gave it back to my buddy. Then I got it back. Now it's finally headed to a museum where that'll be its forever home. This is built, the serial number is a cabin chassis. This is the first CJ5 built. Serial number 10,001. This is just what they call a car jacket. You unfold the thing in the trailer. I put this plastic down, and then I got this car jacket. And we're gonna see what it looks like. It's been in here a bunch of years because, like I said, I couldn't get that door open. And I'll show you guys more of this. You know, when I get it out and it's getting actually picked up, when it's in the sun, I'll show it to you. But I just want to bring it to you today and show you. bags, they keep out mice and they keep out dust and moisture. When you buy a car jacket, they'll give you these bags of desiccant. I don't know if you can see them under there. But you get a bunch of these bags of desiccant and it will absorb any moisture that's in here. I probably got about 10 of them in there. And this is the this is the exact condition that it was in when I put it in this bag. It wasn't in super great condition. The paint was peeling and faded. If you look at this, you'll see everything is cut away so you can see inside of it. There's 4 big jack stands under there, and there's an electric motor. Actually, you can see the electric motor right down there. That ran a chain and everything. You can see everything working. So the winch, the radiator. Let's come around. I don't know how good the lighting is in here. This has a governor on it. It has, the valve cover is cut out. It has a twin stick PTO. So it has the front winch. It has the rear gearbox. And it has the drum pulley. Rear end is cut away. You can't see it, but the wheels are cut away. The PTO right here. The transfer case. Whole thing is cut away. And what I really want to show you is the tag here. I don't know if we're going to be able to see this. It's tight in here. Hang in there. Very tight in here. Hang on. There it is. 10001, 10,001. This was built by the factory, and then it was taken around and shown. It was used as an instructional piece. It was used to introduce people to the CJ5. There was a lot of publicity on this guy back in the day, and there you can see the rear gearbox, the PTO cutaway, original tail lights on there. There's the drive shaft. Rear end is open. You can see through the brakes on that one. 4 new old stock tires, never been on the road. Good years. And this wasn't really doing much in here. I didn't have a good place to display it, so it's kind of better that it's going to a museum where everybody could take a look at it if they want to. I don't know exactly when it's getting picked up. I left an area behind us here. You'll see the backhoe and stuff where I could back the rollback truck here. I could winch this onto it, and then I could stick it on the trailer that's picking it up. But for now, I just wanted to show you what the very first CJ5 looked like. It was a cutaway Jeep, and you could see right inside of everything in the block, transmission, transfer case, front and rear end. It was a real special piece to me, and I'm happy to see it go where it's going. There'll be more details on that, and like I say, I'll show it again. But it was a hell of a day getting the trailer to where it is right now, and it took almost every piece of equipment I had to get it over here. It was so tight, you know, back where it was. But it's here. I'm gonna wrap it up again, and you'll see it the next time in the sunlight when it comes out to be picked up. So thanks everybody for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.